What's up, party people? My name is DJ Simplino, and today I'm gonna show you how to make progressive house melodic techno kind of sound. So especially for this episode I made this project. It sounds like progressive melodic techno kind of sound, so let me play this track. It sounds good in my opinion, so let me show you all the elements of the track. So the first element will be the kick drum. It's my favorite kick drum. It's from Chess Demier's track called Can You Feel It? I really like this kick drum. The next element is bass line. It consists of two layers. The first one is Diva, the preset called Rollo's mid bass. So it sounds like this. I use effect track for this one, so you can add a lot of compressors and delay kind of plugins. So here you can see Devil Lock. It's like a echo delay kind of plugin, audio level destroyer. So yeah, I really like to use it. Let me play without, and let me play with the Devil Lock. Here is a radiator. It's like a compressor. I add some decibels here and some bass frequencies, so my mid bass sounds like big, and I can add another layer. Is a sub bass. It's also from Diva, and I cut all of the high frequencies. Also effect track. I add crystallizer for sub bass. I don't know why, because crystallizer is kinda ping pong delay or something like this. So here is a radiator. I really like to use it, so together it sounds like this. The next one is a rhythmic pattern. Classic house music rhythm. So here is a hi-hat from Cashmere Pack, open hi-hat. I really like to use it. Here's effect track. As you can see, I really like to use it. Devil Lock, radiator. So without this effect and with this plugin, it sounds amazing. So it's open hi-hat. The next one is a clap. I cut all of the low frequencies and of course the effect track. So the next element is close hi-hats, also by Cashmere. I use it especially for groove because it gives a lot of groove. When you use close hi-hat, I recommend to use close hi-hat and add some echo, delay and sidechain, of course. The next is percussion from Vengeance, and another one is vocal shot, also from Vengeance. Together it sounds like this. The next element is a loop from Vengeance called Atmos. I really like to use this kind of samples because it's like you don't really hear it in the mix, but It gives, in my opinion, some warmness. I don't know how to say. So it's useful in my opinion. I recommend you use this kind of samples. So, and the next important element here is diva. Boom, 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 boom. Major FM organ is simple sound. I cut some high and low frequencies, camel crusher here, no effect track, and of course a sidechain. So this synth is really important because it gives and adds some groove to your track. So let me play without the synth and with. Boom. As you can see, it gives a lot to your mix. So the next element is the giant. It's a weird sound actually, because it sounds like percussion here and like white noisy crash on this note. So it sounds weird, but I really like to use this kind of simple things. Together it sounds like this. The next element is pattern number 8. It's a chords. So here I used 3 layers, 3 VSTs. The first one is a contact, is a piano, the grandeur legendary piano, 3 and 2nd octave I use. So I cut all of the high, all of the low frequencies, and of course the sidechain. I made it especially to make my track sounds warm. So chords are really important in every single track. The next element is strings, also from Contact, Adventure strings. So I cut some high frequency and low, and I add stereo enhancer. I use it for my strings with this preset, and of course the sidechain. The next one is Nexus pad, Boise pad. I think it's classic. I really like to use this pad. Of course sidechain and EQ, and it gives a lot of emotions in my opinion. As you can see, the main frequencies, and it's like a foundation of our track, and after this chords you can add another elements on top of this chords. It's really important. And the next element is main melody. As you can see, it sounds like this. I really like this sound. It sounds like Melodic Techno, and as you can see, I add some EQ, effect track, of course. Really useful plugins, crystallizer, radiator. It gives a lot of frequencies and effects. Another EQ, I add some extra high frequencies, and kickstart 71%. So the main melody consists of 2 layers. The first one is on 5th octave. The second one is on 4th octave, as you can see. But I turn off here the reverb. As you can see, no reverb and no delay on my 4th octave layer. Bum, 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 bum. It consists of just 2 layers, but it sounds big in my opinion. Bum, bum. And together it sounds like this. And of course the white noise from Vengeance. I use in every single track white noise. I think it's important. And I add another loop, drum loop from Vengeance. It's like a bongo percussion. So, and I reversed my first note of my main melody. So here's a sample, reverse sample. It's really useful. So let me play. You can reverse your first note, and it gives really good effect here. That's actually it. It's the whole track. Sounds really big in my opinion. So I recommend you use this kind of synths to give some groove to your track. So don't forget about chords. I can't really say that this chords is just a note, and it sounds repetitive, but it's a foundation of your track. So I hope this tutorial was useful to you guys. So hit that subscribe button, and all the best, good luck, see you next time, bye.